All right. So, hey, buddy, let's talk about one more concept. And this time we will talk about something interesting about the AI, the way we talked before. Okay. So let me start now. So, have you ever wanted to run your own AI model, but got discouraged after seeing the hardware requirement, expensive GPUs, high-end workstations, and cloud bills. Cloud bills can quickly become a nightmare. So, well, Google has changed the game with Gemma AI model entirely. So in today's video, we will explore what Gemma is, why it is becoming so popular, and how you can run, the powerful AI models on relatively modest hardware without investing thousands of dollars in GPUs. So, let's start with what Gemma is. So this Google Gemma, this is owned by a company called Google. All of us already know, right? What is Google and who Google is. So the Gemma is from Google. This is one of the Google's model. So Gemma is Google's family of lightweight OpenAI model built using same research and technology behind Google's the Google flagship AI system, right? And unlike many large language models that requires expensive hardware, Gemma is designed to be efficient, accessible, and developer friendly. So Google has released multiple versions of Gemma, including models ranging from few billion parameters to larger variant capable of handling advanced AI tasks, right? So let's be honest. Most people think AI means buying powerful NVIDIA GPUs, spending lakhs, millions of rupees on or maybe thousands of rupees on hardware, or paying monthly cloud subscriptions. For example, high-end AI GPUs can cost more than an entire gaming PC. Cloud GPUs instances can become expensive for continuous uses. Small businesses often struggle to justify these costs. This creates a barrier for students, startup companies, and independent developers. So now here the Gemma focus on efficiency. Thanks to optimized architecture and quantization techniques, many Gemma model can run on standard laptops, desktop computers, edge devices, consumer grade hardware, right? In many cases you can run quantized Gemma model using 8 GB RAM system, 16 GB RAM laptops, or CPUs without dedicated GPUs. So that means no GPU is required, right? Of course, performance improvement with a GPU, but the key point is that powerful GPU is no longer mandatory now, right? With this model, which Google has completely changed the world now with the AI. So AI development without expensive hardware now. So we will talk about some real world use cases. So you can use Gemma for, let's say, chatbots, build private AI assistants that run locally, right? Document analysis, analyze PDFs, release notes and business documents. Code assistants that can generate a code, something like GitHub Copilot, yeah. Explain code and review software project. And then offline AI applications, perfect for organization working in secure environments where cloud access is restricted. Because there are some clients for if you go with the government organization like a police force, right? They never allow you to communicate their software to with the cloud or anywhere in the internet. They wanted everything to be safe in that box, safe in their network, right? So in those area, you can definitely use this sort of model. This can work perfectly offline without any internet connection, right? So now train application on a company's document and internal information. So wherever you want, you can create that knowledge base with this help of this Gemma model. Now, the important thing is, why developers love Gemma. So developers are adopting Gemma because of, open and accessible, that can run locally on your computer without any, the server, the expensive server. Lower infrastructure cost for sure. No GPUs required, not mandatory. Easier experimentation, right? Better privacy since data remains on your machine. Integration with popular frameworks such as, Ollama, Hugging Face, and other AI tooling, right? So how it will actually work. So let me show you a typical setup. So the first step you have to do, you have to install Ollama, and you can go and how to set up this in this video, right? Then download a Gemma model. You can open the command prompt and just say Gemma latest, and it will download the latest version for your machine. And within minutes, you have a local AI assistant running directly on your machine. No cloud dependency, no monthly AI subscription, no expensive GPU server. Now the biggest question, is Gemma better than ChatGPT or maybe Ollama? Right? So I would say that's not the right question. Each model serves a different purpose. ChatGPT excels as a hosted AI service. Ollama is popular on the open source community. Gemma focus heavily on efficiency and accessibility. So if your goal is to run AI locally with minimal hardware requirement, Gemma becomes a very attractive option. Right? So now Google Gemma is helping make AI more accessible than ever. You no longer need high-end GPU setup just to experiment with AI, build chatbots, or create intelligent applications. Whether you are a student, developer, startup founder, or tech enthusiast, Gemma is definitely worth exploring. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried Google Gemma yet, or are you going to still going to use it, right? Okay, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.